let's build this awesome PC. For the case, we're going to be using the Deepcool CH510 Mesh Digital, meaning it has a digital display on the front. For the brains, we will use the Intel i5 13th Gen 13600K. Motherboard will be the MSI Pro Z790P ddr4. RAM will use 64GB of Patriot ddr4 3200MHz RAM. To install Windows, we're going to use the Lexar NM790. Super fast. Another NVMe, which is going to be the Corsair MP600 Core XT, up to 5000. Read and write is 3500. Then we'll also add another 2TB SSD. This is the Gigabyte aorus RTX 3070 Extreme, so it has the nice little digital display here. So we're going to